Another important thing related with this option that I showed you before, relating and MPL, is the post-render option. That's allowed to trick your image after they have been rendering. So let me check one of my previous rendering to show. Let me open this one. For example, this is interior scene, and there is a little arrow here on the right side of the dialog, and we can expand or collapse to see the post-render settings. So in the post, we have a tab for post-render settings that you can select, for example, the display. You can see in full color or monochrome, for example. You can see this change, or you can select here the path trace, the noiser setting if you need to change, or of course, a lot of more settings. Then we have tab for relighting. So here you can see all the existing lighting in your design. So I can control all the lights in my design. For example, we can turn on off the light. For example, you can see here this lamp, okay? You can review this lamp. So if I can disable, okay, this you can see here, the light now is turned off, or this one, okay, or all this option. So you can see it's turned on, off, okay. And for example, we can increase or decrease the intensity of the light. So let me put more intensity, for example, so you can see change the intensity from this specific light. Or we can change the color, for example, green color, for example, so you can see the light with this new color. Okay, let me then to white. Okay, and for example, normal one. Okay, and finally, in the post-production, we can also apply the Mpl Effect. So this means the non-photorealistic rendering effect. So we have this scene, and I want to give Mpl. So from here, from this tab, you need to click Apply Mpl Style on Render Image. And you can select a predefined type of to start processing. And then we can obtain fantastic image. So for example, this option, the blueprint, here you can see this wonderful visualization. And of course, you can customize. We can change the color of the line, for example, to this one. You can see now the color, okay? Or you can change the thing of the lines or opacity. Okay, so you can change, or we can select another one. For example, this is an option that I like to match the Japanese printmaking. Okay, so you can see a non-photorealistic rendering, or another one, for example, can be this one. This is very nice too. You need to wait. Okay, here. Okay, so we come back to the original image if we disable the apply Mpl style in the image.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.